How to add background image in LinkedIn profile in mobile app. Firstly, you have to just install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store on your Android as well as on iPhone. Now open the LinkedIn app, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. We are going to add the background image of our profile. Just move on the profile, just click here on profile. You can see here this type of camera will appear, and at the background you can see a minor camera which is here. Just click on it and take any of the photo or upload photo from your gallery. Like I am going to upload this photo. Click on done option and you can see your background photo will be saved. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.